Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a thing that changes team if you're a team. I already have a model set up for everyone to use, so I'm just going to show you how to use it. Put these in a team service. Yeah. You grab these and put them in the team service. Spawn, and then that's all you really need to do. This will be a short video, but see, when you touch it, it changes your team. Well, I'm supposed to fall down, but this is great for like jail walls and everything. So like, let's say, I'm actually going to anchor it, make it uncollide, and make it transparent. So it's just make it bigger so we know that we're actually going through it. So let's say you're team 1, in this case, or like a prisoner, and you say you're now team 2. So how does this work under the cover? Well, it's actually very simple. It's this long code. We also have a give cache if escape feature, which I've allowed you to set to true if you like. Teams, it's really easy to change this to the original team. Like, you gotta change this to the prisoner's team name or whatever it is, prisoner. So like, if they're this team, then that's which one you want. Like, so if they're this team, which in this case, if they're team 1, then change them to team 2. That's a pretty simple code here. Don't need to change all the code down here. That's how it's designed to work. When the thing's touched, all the 4 variables you need to worry about as it works. So yeah, it's a very simple code. I could see great uses for this game, like for jail games. I actually use this in my game Jail World. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Very tiny video about you Clicker Heroes gameplay. So enjoy that. Bye.